Hello, we're Keith and Selena Tousley. We've been married for over 20 years. We have 5 beautiful children, and we're entrepreneurs.
With our oldest going off to college, we thought right now was the perfect time to pause our life, pack our bags, and travel the world with our kids.
We're going to 30 countries in just 6 months. So far, we tackled 8 countries throughout Asia, Africa, and the Middle East, but the adventure is just getting started.
Over the next 2 months, we will be experiencing some of the best Europe has to offer, driving over 12,000 kilometers through 21 countries.
So if you're new here, we would love for you to join in on our adventure. Subscribe and follow along.
Our hope is that you're not just entertained, but inspired.
And for our next stop,
all right, little pit stop here in Italy. On our way to Pisa for the evening, and then on to our Airbnb. I just want to show everybody what it's like to go to a rest stop in Italy. A little different than the US. So first of all, you got this amazing view. Can't beat that. You got the Mediterranean Ocean right there. It's beautiful. Little town in Italy. Has amazing coffee, first of all. Oh, got your coffee. How's the coffee? Was it good?
yes.
Mm-hmm.
What are you doing? Where are we going?
Just showing a little thumb. And just, you go in here and look at the sandwiches. Look at this. This is just a rest stop. So yeah, we are not in Kansas anymore. And we got pizza. And the pizza's not just average, it's just amazing pizza. And we're at a rest stop. So, got our coffee, got our hydrations, we got our mangoes. We're good to go. All right. We made it to Pisa.
We're here in Pisa. It's crazy. I can't even believe it that I'm actually here.
Tousleys family. Kaden.
Look at me.
Kaden, look at mama.
Good job.
Silly pose. There it is.
Guys, no way. Doesn't look leaning from here.
Wow, the further you go back, the more leaning it gets. Wow, look at that. The more it leans. What do you want?
It was like just,
He wants a keychain that's like a motorcycle that can move its wheels for €1.
No, we're not doing that.
Dad,
Come on.
No.
You just want to bless your cousin. You love your cousin Max. You've been thinking about him every day.
Yes.
And everywhere we go, he's like, Dad, I gotta get this for Max. It's like your main focus. All right, what do you got? What do you got so far?
This so far.
An M with the tower in it?
Yep.
Okay. Good job, guys. Is that what you wanted, buddy?
yeah, I could race with it.
All right. Is that your size? Is it small? All right. Beautiful.
Want some ice cream?
What do you say?
Thank you, Dad.
You're welcome. Yeah, I would say another thing we love about Italy is it just aligns with who we are. Like, we're family oriented, and Italy's a place you can bring your family, you can bring your kids, and never feel like embarrassed.
That's the
Because
truth.
they love children, they love family. It is all about family. It's all about your heart. It's all about, you know,
food and
welcome in.
welcome
We'll
in.
welcome you in. And,
Yeah.
It's gonna be. That's how it's gotta be.
oh, I'm so hungry. Look at this food. Beautiful.
I love the buildings. I feel like these like Europe and
Ooh, how was that, Aaliyah? Ooh. Some wild boar up there.
Okay. I'm excited about pasta. Don't get me wrong. Like the melon and the prosciutto. That's what I was ready to come back here for.
Ooh, let's see.
Because I won't do this back in the States. I will not.
Tate, what are you thinking? You like it?
Yeah, you want to try it?
It's the best, right?
You
You
want
got
to
this
try it?
amazing food and the music you love. Yeah, I want to try it.
Was that just yours?
I want to try it.
That's Get up here. Open your mouth.
Yeah, give me a good bite. Yeah. Oh.
Mama, order more. Still very hungry.
There's more to eat. Wait. Oh, maybe not. Okay.
Ice cream.
Go ahead. Just get it. It's okay. Nice.
It's really good.
You guys got your cones? Are they good?
Very good.
Oh, hers is good. It's gone.
Your dad.
So cool. It's like there's a Leaning Tower just right there. There it is. There it is. There it is. So crazy. This is the exciting part. I think the kids are going to have a lot of fun in Italy because they do love history.
Yeah.
And this makes their schooling easier for me. I'm excited to show you the place you're staying at. Still were there, so I was
We
very
were there
happy.
and we strategically booked our Airbnb in the countryside.
Yes.
And, you know, we didn't know how good we planned it. It's kind of another thing, we kind of made a mistake on how good we did it.
I know.
But we didn't want to be in Florence and we didn't want to be in Rome and we didn't, we were a 45-minute drive to Florence. Which is great.
Yeah.
Not too far. But we were right outside, only 10 minutes outside of San Gimignano. Beautiful. Nice big backyard. The more we learned about it, the more like, oh my gosh, we picked like the best place.
We did so good.
On accident.
Yeah.
And just so grateful. The Airbnb could have been better.
And she did you remember she baked us a dessert, a traditional dessert, like so welcoming. She was wonderful.
Yes.
Yeah, so it was great.
Okay, well, it's our first morning here in Italy. Had a great night's rest. We're at our Airbnb here in Tuscany. And these boys found them playing some football. Tate, explain to me your game you just created.
Okay, so first off, yeah. So he passed it to me. He passed it to me. I 2 more steps. Throw it to him. He drops it. He does 7 push-ups. We keep on going in a cycle, and then he takes a break and we keep on going again.
All right, let's see this.
I apologize.
You got it. Nice.
Got it.
Nice catch, Caden. Caden's getting ready for football. Caden, this is your first football season coming up, right? Oh, that was uncatchable. Nice try, though. That doesn't count, right? No push-ups for that. Actually, you should do push-ups for that. Give me your push-ups. Give me some clap ones. Yeah. There you go. Oh, give me 7 push-ups for that bad pass. Okay, good morning from Tuscany. Got the 3 amigos over here. We'll take a little run and get a little workout in, get some push-ups and squats in, and get them gains. Let's do it. Tuscany, babe.
I'm in Tuscany. I'm here. I'm here. Baby brought me to Tuscany. And we're staying in a villa in Tuscany. which is old world and amazing, and the Airbnb is like perfect. Yesterday was Pisa, so we're gonna go to a smaller town close to where we're staying at, find something to eat, but first, we should drink.
The first things is highness production. Then here you have to have a small grapes, really yellow, full of juice. Yes. Before the farms use the action, now for the display.
We're in an ancient town.
We are.
In Italy.
How old do you think this building?
These are the old streets. UNESCO means that it's a World Heritage Site, so they can't do anything. People who live here, they can't even paint their house, the inside.
It's a Michelin restaurant.
Michelin 2020. If they get caught painting their house, it's illegal. They get fined.
Or doing any of it.
Yep. They have to get a permit and get approval to paint like a wall.
It looks like they painted a wall.
I know, they have to get approval for it. Beautiful paintings. Isn't that crazy? So you imagine that, like we had to paint like the boys, like your room, and we have to get approval from the city to paint your room, the inside of it. Isn't that crazy?
So you have to get a permit for every single wall.
Everything. So it's a World Heritage Site, UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is one of the most intact medieval cities in the world. At one point, there was over 70 towers.
13 or 14.
13 or 14 towers
Yes.
are still standing today.
Yeah. Whoa.
So we're explaining this to our kids, like, guys, you're like, you know, you are walking through an ancient, these are ancient roads we're walking through. You know, this brick you're touching, this brick is over 1,000 years old, you know, and these towers go back to like 1100 and 900 even. So these towers go way back.
Yeah. Another day, another winery. Come on, somebody. Babe, where are you taking me?
Tenuta Torciano.
Okay. And how did you find out about this place, love?
Yeah, so my good friend Justin Donald, it's his favorite winery in Tuscany. Okay, here we are with
Valeria.
Okay.
Welcome, guys. Benvenuti. You are in Tenuta Torciano.
Tenuta Torciano.
Very good.
Nice little bar that greets us here. We're gonna have a beautiful lunch. It's kind of romantic with the rain coming down outside.
And what did you think?
Here, really good with the first red.
Yeah. And so though my plate looks like a massacre, there's different salamis and breads and a tomato like bruschetta kind of spread to put on it. We just love trying all the different kinds of foods. And really your palate does open up when you actually slow down, take time to taste all the flavors. And again, this is a simple dish with old bread that's fresh.
So good.
in 1720, only a few acres here.
Wow.
Then my great-great-grandpa in 1925, Bartolomeo, he's got a lot of kids, 18 actually. And it's an organic winery, no pesticides, no chemicals, which makes it's not beer.
That's beautiful. So we're here to support you. You got to work hard for it.
So thank you.
Keep drinking.
Thank
All right,
you.
appreciate it.
Thank you.
So like our thing is like being completely present and really like soaking in the places we're at. Like we want to really experience them.
Yes.
And so if we're in Tuscany, you better believe we're going to find
You best believe we are going to find a winery.
one of the highest rated wineries there is and have an experience and just soak it in.
Yes.
Caden, show what you got. What'd you get?
A musket.
That's like a rifle. You got a rifle with caps?
Yep, cat one.
Oh, that's amazing. There you go. Yeah, that's a good one.
Don't post this.
I did.
Can't post this.
I did it. Sorry.
But look, it's
Posted
so
already.
cute. I like this right here. I feel like it's just horrible. Like I also need this one.
Isn't it cute?
It is.
That's
adorable.
Show Aaliyah what you want to get.
And look. Hold on to your socks.
You guys are like 10 years old again. I see it.
What's happening?
Ooh, does it actually work now?
Yes. And it has the
Oh,
entire
Caden's gonna seal it.
Running to a van bag. That's the
Wow, that's very
Like,
official.
seriously, in the middle of the road, he was just walking as loud as he could. And then when we said stop, he went, stop.
Can you please escort us out after we pay? Wait for us by the door. Wait for us by the door, soldier, and escort us out. Soldier up. Thank you, sir. Thank you, soldier. Thank you. Soldier, walk on and march.
It felt really good. It felt like a great stop. I highly recommend if you're going through Italy to
Yes.
spend some time in Tuscany.
Yes.
You will fall in love.
Very
it's just
easily.
you feel the peace. I felt the peace.
Oh, I love
A few days in, just like wow, this is beautiful. And it is very peaceful. It is enjoyable. It's
The people are really kind.
people are kind. Yeah, and it was perfect. It was what we needed. So next up, babe, is Florence.
I cannot even wait because, you know, we're about to go into more of a major city. Would you
Yes.
say a major
Yes.
city? So just staying outside, especially with larger families, it just makes more sense affordability, and it's not like we're suffering.
And this is a bucket list for us because we've never been to Florence.
Yes.
But some friends we've met along the way and we've talked to said that's
Yes.
their favorite place. So we're like, okay, we just can't wait.
We can't wait. So here we come, Florence.
All right. We have to do that. What you gonna do?